guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I made some waves today. Made a lot of waves today. So I'm getting ready for my show, and I just realized that I had these boxes, and I wanted to do some boxes for the show as well. But look what happened. Look at it, it rusted. They've been sitting around for a while. So I am using this product. It's Finnabar, and it is the Patina effect. So I did one, and I don't know if I want to do it backwards this time. I think I might. I'm going to do it with the blue first. You just kind of spackle it on. It's got some texture to it, and these are going in here, so I don't have to worry about doing the inside of it. And if it's if you want to wet it, you can wet them too for a little bit more coverage. And the first coat I'm doing is blue. Last time I did the mint green as the first coat, and it turned out okay. Then I realized I needed more mint green on the outside of it, so I'm starting it with the blue this time. And just kind of spackle it on. And you don't have to wait till it dries to, see, I'm covering this stuff up. Yeah, I got one of those screwdriver kits, and I tried taking the screws out, and I couldn't get them out either, so anyhow. I thought, you know, I've got to come up with a different solution. And it's going to give it like an antique patina look. It'll be real pretty, these boxes. And doesn't look like much now. Give me a chance. I know you're getting worried. All right, I'm just going to do the blue. Just spackle it on like that. Get a little bit of wetness there, a little moisture. And then I'm going to do the green on top of this. Last time I did the green first, I ended up using more green anyway. So I think if this is the border you're supposed to go in, I don't think that there is any real hard and fast rules. You can put the copper first if you wanted to. So you're getting somewhat good coverage. There's a lot of layers that go on here, so I don't have to worry about coverage really. All right. Make this a little bit more textured, and then after these dry, I think what I'm gonna do is put these guys in here and resin over top of it, just right there, so I don't have to goof around with the I just can't stand resining. I'm sorry, I've really given it a good shot, but actually I've got a nice clock I resined that I am going to be bringing. I might show it to you in a little bit, but got it put together and everything. It's working, batteries and all. So it was like, shoot, what do I do? You know, do I want to keep this or sell it? I'm gonna sell it. So, but it was a resin art piece. But just to put resin over my work like this, and it's like, oh God, I hate it. A little bit of water. You kind of want to spackle it so that it's not quite uniform, you know. I think I liked it better with the green first. Of course, I mucked it up a little bit, so I have to wait till it dries before I start messing with it again. Ah, maybe not. So, I haven't posted a video in a couple of days because I've been resining. Some time consuming too. And if a hair gets in it, you know, forget about it. Gotta start all over. It's just not my thing, I guess. But I did find a really cool varnish that really, it almost mimics the resin. So I'll show you a piece that I did. Actually, I might even show you how to do it. Takes a few coats, but it comes out pretty glassy. It's glassy. Glassy. All right, so that's looking pretty good. Now we take a little bit of our copper. I'm not even cleaning my brush off. I'm just putting it on the corners, and then on the back here where it's I have the hardware, make it look like it's supposed to be rusted. There we go. I don't do a lot of crafts. I do mostly, I can't even talk right now. Do mostly canvases, but I gotta tell you, when you're doing a show, they want to see more than just canvases. You just tend to have a little bit better response if you have jewelry or boxes like this, or see how that doesn't take that much either. I thought I would go through this whole thing with a couple of boxes, but it looks like no. Looks like it's been on a shipwreck. Arr, matey! Alright. Touch it a little bit. There we go. Patina! So, what do you guys think? You like it? I'm kind of fond of it. It was a brilliant idea to solve my problem because I am misfixing. Get away, bug. Ugh! They haven't been around for a while, and then all of a sudden, you know, it's getting warmer out, so not too warm, but see, the last one I overdid it. See, you gotta know when to stop. It's never been my forte. There we go. This is just it's not an expensive brush. Let's just put it that way. Ooh, me likey. So this is just a quick video to show you what you can do with this patina stuff. It's fun. Oh, crap. Well, sugar. I might have to get another brush out. Uh-oh. SpaghettiOs. Don't want too much. Oh, and I have just a little bit of 24 karat gold here too that I'm going to randomly smatter all over. There we go. So I think that's going to look pretty with the waves inside. Oopsie. Yeah, I'm not a crafty girl. Crafty. It's not what all my boyfriends say. Arr, matey. All right. I think I want to put some more gold back here too on these guys. There. And it gives it a little bit more interest. I was thinking about just doing these plain, you know, just with the wood and just put a coat of varnish on them, but that kind of went out the window with these issues here I had. All right, so I'll have to show you the finished product when I'm done with these. Pretty cool, eh? It still has to get some varnish though. Maybe a matte varnish. I don't want to make it shiny. So this is the first one I did, where I put the green on first. It doesn't look bad, but I have to redo this part. Oh, I hate wasting. Okay. Got too much copper. Oh, and I still have too much copper. I need another brush. Well, I think I'm going to have to let it dry a little bit more before I can reassess the situation. There's too much copper on there. Put some glue in. Yeah, I kind of overdid it. Lesson learned, this was my first time, so I've had this kit forever and I've just never used it. Yeah, this is like really, stop! All right, I'm gonna wipe this off again and wait till it dries before I try it again. So that's it for now. I'll be back. I have been busy making some sellable art for my show on Saturday. And I just wanted to show you guys some of these pieces. I'm going to speed through the actual process that I did for these, but these I'm not real happy with. I just put a little bit of varnish on the side. It's only got one coat, I need another one. But the Shelly art, I don't know, something happened with the paint and it split. So I don't know if I need to redo them. Yeah, it's all split there. Not cool. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm going to keep these or do them over or what. But this is the clock I was telling you about. Okay, and it works. Yay! Yes, it's 1:45. But yeah, this is the piece of resin art I did. And I have a video on this. First coat did not turn out well. So it was a kind of a fix thing. But I think that is phthalo turquoise from Golden that's in there. And I just put some, it's from Stuart Sample. It's a kind of a crystal glass, yeah. So that I'm kind of happy with. And then this is what I mean about resin art. This is tacky and it's not curing. So I have to put another coat on it. Oh, I need more light. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so I have to put another coat on this, but I think I'm going to put them in these with just a coat of varnish. And this is one I did with all color art prism pours. So I am going to put either the Liquitex Gloss Medium, or I have another one. This is museum grade gloss. This is not available on Amazon anymore, but it's from Canada. And it gives, this is actually an example of, now there was texture on here. So it's, this was a flip cup, but it gives a really glossy, I don't know if you can see that, really glossy finish. This one's done. I've already put it in here and everything. And I used a stain on here, a gel stain from Craft Smart. And I don't know if these are available anymore, but I got this like for $1. Also for $1, which I used to, this one's kind of still tacky a little bit. This was it's Helsman's water-based bar urethane, which is good for indoor, outdoor. Not that you'd use this outdoors. And what I've done is I put a toothpick in between so that it doesn't get stuck. And there's 2 coats on here. I don't know if I'm going to put a third or not. It is kind of textured. So this one only has 1 coat. But this is the result I got from that spackle, or the Patina kit that I have. It really turned out nice, I think. And then I'm just going to put these in here. Now I thought about putting some resin on here, but no, I'm not. I think I'm going to go with this or this. So I haven't glued this down yet. I use either E6000 or just a construction grade adhesive that you get at the stores. But this one, I'm gonna go ahead and use the museum grade varnish. It's Breathing Color Timeless Varnish. So I've got it put in here just to make it easier, which it's not when it's glued down. Oh my, there we go. So I'm just gonna pour this right down. Oh, also, I need you guys' advice. How much, I don't even know how much to charge for these things. I don't know, I'm just, oh, I wanted to know if I should, sorry, I'm not talking right now. If I should varnish all of these pieces. This one needs a little bit more on this side, okay. But that'll turn out like, very much like resin. All right, that's the first coat. You do, oh, I missed a spot. Oh, Jesus, mosquitoes now. Ooh, got me good. Now, should I stain this? What color? What color? Oh, you know what? I forgot to open it up. It's actually a jewelry box. And I think I got most of this stuff at Hobby Lobby, but these cradle boards, I think I got them off of Amazon. Yeah, should I varnish this one or just leave it flat? So, wish me luck. And I'm going to put another coat on here of this stuff. I started out with some Kmart varnish. I'm going to split. Yes. And this protects it. This Kmart varnish. So, anyhow, we've got lots of options. So, let me know what you think. Leave a couple of suggestions in the comments. I would really appreciate that.